Hello, good morning. This is Doc Danny. I'm here in the Philippines. Okay, I'm here at El Nido, Palawan. We'll be taking in an island hopping this morning. Dito kami bumili ng mga Dito kami bumili ng shirts. Anong pangalan ng tindahan nyo?
Travel Fix po.
Travel
Fix.
Travel Fix.
Okay.
Dito ako bumili ng sando. Yan, ang ganda. Sinuot ko na kaagad, hindi ko na hinubad. Napakaganda ng sando nila. Travel Fix. Dito kayo mamili. Dito kina ate. Andito yung may-ari. Yan. Anong pangalan nila?
Kat.
Ha?
Kat.
Kat? Pangalan ng panganay ko, Catherine. Si Kat. Siyang may-ari nitong Travel Fix.
Travel Fix po.
Travel Fix. Binigyan niya ako ng discount kaya kinunan ko ng video. Ganda ng mga stocks nila. Fresh na fresh kasi mainit dito. Dito ang El Nido, Palawan. Nandito kami sa downtown. Sasakay ng bangka. In a few minutes. Napakasarap dito. Tahimik. Hindi masyado crowded. Walang pollution. Mabait ng mga tao. Magandang hotel. Masarap ang pagkain. Yan. Travel Fix. Yan. Pag galing namin dun sa binila namin ng ticket sa island hopping, naglakad lang kami papunta rito. Nasa kaliwa ito. Nasa left side. Welcome to Viajeros Travel and Tours. Dito kami kumuha ng namin package tour sa island hopping. Yan, ang gaganda mga smiling. Iba talaga ang beauty ng mga Pinay, pambato. Yung ano nga yun? Yung Tour A, 1,200 per head.
Yes po.
That is good for 5 days.
Yung environmental ticket po is good for 5 days. 400 peso po siya per person and mandatory po siya.
Okay.
Then for Tour A, meron po tayong Big Lagoon. May entrance fee po siya na 200 peso.
Okay.
And meron po tayong kayaking activities, snorkeling, and swimming activities sa Tour A. Sa Tour C po, it's 1,400 po siya.
Okay.
Then yung inyong eco fee or environmental tax, magagamit po natin siya dito. Basta within 5 days po yung inyong activity. Then sa Tour B, po siya, may cave and more on relaxing po siya. Mas tahimik po sa Tour B.
Ang gaganda, no?
Yes po, 1,300.
Wow, paradise talaga ang Philippines. Ang sunod yung
For Tour D naman po, meron pong kayaking activity sa Cadao Lagoon and sa Small Lagoon.
Wow.
Bali for the Small
Parang
Lagoon
sa movie ko lang ito nakikita, yung Blue Lagoon okay. Kita mo?
Ito po sir is popular po yung Hidden Beach. Madalas po
Ano yun?
Hidden Beach po.
Hidden Beach.
Yes po.
So nakatago talaga siya.
Hindi
Pero
po
pwede
siya-
pwede maligo doon.
Yes po.
Wow, sana all. Maganda pala yan sa mga yung mga naliligawan pala at saka naligaw na.
May secret po dito sir, pero hindi na siya secret.
Wow, may parang short time Sogo. Tingnan mo, ang babait nila, Kaya marami kayong mapupunong customers. Libre ng advertisement nyo sa akin.
Madalas po siya, nag-feature po siya sa Survivor.
Wow, nanonood ako ng Survivor. Talagang dinadayo ng mga foreigner. Sana makita din kayo ng foreigner. Tingnan mo, mga smiling. Yan ang magandang talaga. Hindi kayo mahindihan ng mga customers nyo. Pak na pak siya. Viajeros Travel, huwag kalilimutan. Inire-recommenda ni Doc Danny. Oh, kunan mo ng ano ha? The highlights tours. We'll start at Big Lagoon. Ito yung mga choices nyo kung saan ang magandang papasyalan. 7 Commando, Helicopter Island, Hidden Beach, Secret Beach. Wow. Tapos andito naman yung inland. That's the
Dito kayo daan.
Nakpan, Las Cabanas, ano yan, Leo, Nagkalit-Kalit Falls, Bulalakaw, nasa taas lang itong Bulalakaw Falls, Canopy, at saka Julie, and then Zipline. Look at that, a lot of entertainment. So many places to go to. Wow, I love this. Oh, ito, makikita nyo ito sa reels ko. Kunin mo yung Facebook.
Name is Captain Richard. Say hi, Captain.
Hi, Captain. Morning.
Crew on this boat, Kuya Sai and Kuya Ryan. Hello. So Benry, Richard the Captain, Ryan and Sai. So later if you have any question or some problem, just don't be shy to approach any of us. Okay? So everyone, today we will explore the package of A Tour. A Tour is composed of 5 destinations. That is 7 Commando Beach, Secret Lagoon, Shimizu Island, South Park of Minalak for snorkeling, and then Big Lagoon. So 5 destinations. We have to divide our time to cover all the spot, maybe 30 or 40 minutes every spot. Is it okay?
Yep.
And everyone, if you reminder to slogan on the store, take nothing but picture and leave nothing but footprints. So please don't throw any rubbish on the water, or taking any marine life from the island is also not allowed. Is that clear?
No souvenir.
Sound?
We cannot take stones.
Everyone, if you have rented Barrow snorkeling gear, you have to take care of that because you are responsible if you use that.
Bring it back to you or the place there?
At the place there. So everyone, that's all. Our first stop will be 7 Kamani Beach. We will be there in approximately 25 minutes, and then the other information I will discuss when we get there. So thank you for listening. Enjoy your tour. Good morning.
Thank you.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias, amigo.
Hasta la vista.
Would you like anyone would like to sit at the front and then money or cell phone? If you don't need the things, it's okay to leave here. But our boat, they cannot stay at the shore. They have to go out because it's too many boats. They want to get in and out. Just here. You stay here for 40 minutes, ma'am. Pwede kayong mag-swimming po. But our swimming area is there at the last. Did you see the last boat?
Yeah.
Behind there.
So we have assignments, ha?
Kailangan kasi malaman yung
May sariling spot, ha? Maganda para things will be protected.
Yung boat na yon.
yung last po na boat, yun sa kabila nun, doon tayo magsiswimming.
Yung malaking boat.
Di ba ito yung ano na yun, di ba yung last na boat na nakapila?
Yun ang sasakyan namin pabalik.
Hindi po, dito pa rin, same boat pa rin.
Hindi, kasi ibibigay na sa amin yung boat, eh.
Sana all. So don't forget the name of your boat, Gabas.
Gabas is the name of my boat.
Gabas ang pinakain, gabas. Gambas.
Gigabas na.
You don't need this here, right?
Yeah.
Gigabas na.
No, you don't need here. At the next one. You just put under. If you want, you can use it. The life jacket, you can take it out if you're a good swimmer.
Ayan, nasa plastic na naka this is
Clear water and white sand in the beach. This is the Seven Commandos. Seven Commandos Beach. Ganda ng gawa mo ah. Buti di naman nasisira kaagad. Hindi, siya ang binibidyo ko, ina-advertise ko pa nga eh. Dapat nga akong bayaran niya eh.
Yan ma'am, meron kayo
Oh, di ba?
Gusto nyo magpag-group ma'am.
Oo.
Yung group namin ma'am, 6,100. Group na po siya. Kung gusto nyo lang po magpag-group.
Wala kasi yung vlogger sa amin.
Every day you build something else?
Yeah,
Wow.
and build that day.
You are like an artist.
Of course, an artist really, yeah.
Really artist.
And he's earning a lot in here.
No, it's amazing.
Yeah.
It's really unique.
Just to sit down, it's $2, $3. Oh, you're like a pensioner, living pensioner. Unlimited, sana all. Yan ang masarap na trabaho, paupo-upo lang. Swerte. Yan ang art mo, pre. Kaya magaling ka, very creative. Hangaan na akong pasyente laki. Sabi niya, so beautiful, Danny. I wish I can go there. I wish I can go there. Ay, kay kung bakaya lang na sa eroplano, problema, di mo ang pagliliwan sa sa diaper eh. Mahirap siya magkato sa CR eh, amo niya sabi eh. Kay Florida unta kami, kay adto niya anak sa California eh. Sabi niya, problema niya Dani yung eh. If you need something to drink, they have restaurant in here. Restroom, yeah. It's like forest. Under the forest. Oh, you can play volleyball. They have a net in here.